Thanks to games like Injustice 2, Tekken 7 and Marvel vs. Capcom Infinite, there's never been a better time to play fighting games. But if mastering your favorite brawler has left you with blistered thumbs and cramped hands, it might be time to consider a fight stick. Fight sticks replicate the feel of the old arcade machines you grew up with joysticks and big round buttons that give your hands plenty of breathing room for tapping out crazy combos. However, not all fight sticks are created equal, which is why we've scoured the web for the most popular and well-reviewed models. Whether you're a newbie looking for a cheap stick to mash buttons, or an aspiring Evo champ seeking top-of-line hardware, here are the best fight sticks you can buy right now. Credit Canva before you splurge for a stick. Keep in mind that buying one won't automatically make you any better at fighting games. Fight sticks have a considerable learning curve, but the trade-off is that you'll have easier access to all of your buttons and won't have to deal with any nasty pad blisters. Pay attention to what kind of buttons a stick has. Sanwa buttons are ideal, but there are some decent cheap alternatives. Some sticks make it easier to swap out buttons, joysticks and faceplates than others, so if you plan on customizing yours, keep an eye on modability. Finally, consider compatibility. Some sticks on this list work best on a specific platform, while others play nicely on both console and PC. Credit 8-bette at just $49. The Hori Fighting Stick Mini is a great option for folks who want to see what fight sticks are all about before throwing down hundreds of dollars. Compatible with ps4, ps3 and PC, this tiny stick is highly portable. The peripheral features a traditional 8-button layout and provides easy access to the ps4's share button for recording those crazy combos. Average Amazon rating 4 stars. Fixbot rating A. Credit Hori, one of the most popular cheap options on Amazon. The Mayflash F300 is another great starter stick. This peripheral features turbo functionality for mapping multiple button presses, as well as a switch for making the joystick behave as either a pad or an analog stick. It's also popular for its easy modability. There's just one catch: when using the F300 on a PlayStation or Xbox, you'll have to plug that console's controller into it to use the stick. Average Amazon rating 4 stars. Fixbot rating A. Credit Mayflash. The Canva drone is an excellent middle ground when considering affordability, portability and build quality. This striking yellow and black stick works with ps4, ps3 and PC, and has a special lock functionality to keep you from accidentally pausing a match. It's got a front-facing cable compartment for when you're traveling, as well as soft padding on the bottom to keep it from slipping off of your lap. Average Amazon rating 4.5 stars. Fixbot rating A. Credit Canva. The Nintendo Switch is already a formidable fighting game machine thanks to games like Ultra Street Fighter 2 and Pokken Tournament DX. An 8-bitte's N30 stick is a great way to have an authentic arcade experience with them. This wireless stick sports a gorgeous NES-inspired paint job, works well with mods, and also plays nicely with PC, Mac, and Android. Average Amazon rating 4 stars. Fixbot rating A. Credit 8-bette. If you're ready to get serious, Hori's Real Arcade Pro V is one of the most popular premium sticks out there. This slick, extra-wide fight stick features Kuro buttons and metallic accents, with a smart button layout designed to prevent accidental pauses. The VKI works with Xbox One, Xbox 360 and PC. There's an attractive VKI Blue variant available for ps4, ps3 and PC players. Average Amazon rating 4. Fixbot rating C. Credit Hori, an even more premium stick from Hori. The Real Arcade Pro and ps4, ps3, PC boasts slick metallic gold accents and Hori's sturdy Hayabusa joystick and buttons. Like the Real Arcade Pro VKI Blue, the Pro N features a full touchpad for use on the ps4, as well as the typical turbo and button ascending features. A willet and pause button and Hori's symmetrical noir button layout help this high-end, sturdy stick stand out. Average Amazon rating 4.5 stars. Fixbot rating A. Credit Hori, the latest on Tom's Guide